Hey guys, and welcome back. So I already tried to film this video, and yeah, let me refilm it. So let me just go ahead and say, yes, guys, I am sick. We've actually been sick for 10 days, and it kind of sucks. So yeah, a lot of people are sick right now. My previous intro was basically saying, be kind to people. You don't know what they're going through. And yeah, this isn't always the easiest part of the year for a lot of people. And this year, I get to I have both sides. You guys will find out next week why I'm saying that. But yeah, be kind. And let me share with you guys what I got my 3-year-old this year for Christmas. I'm so excited to give this stuff to her. Some things I'm a little nervous because she's never gotten anything like this, and we just wanted to see how she would do as soon as it was on sale. We bought it for her. So yeah, I'm gonna go to start right here since it's right behind me. All right. So she loves playing with babies and Barbies, and you'll see a theme: Barbies, Spidey, and well, no babies this year, but we decided to try this and see how she likes it because it was actually on sale. So we got this guy. I don't even know how much it was. I want to say it was like 20-ish bucks. Which is the Our Generation Barbie dolls, dolls. It's so cute. It has a cute little jacket. Their eyes closed. Has a little like Starbucks drink pass support, a little maleta, so wherever she go. I thought it was really, really cute. So we decided to pick these up just to see how my daughter likes them. She's been a little bit going through her face, and she's kind of scared of things that she doesn't understand or know. So I hope that this doesn't scare her. She did go through a good week of being scared of our Christmas decorations. But I was like, I'm not taking this whole house down, girl. That's not happening. So yeah, we got her this one, and then my husband also got this one because it was also on sale. This one is jewelry. She actually doesn't have an ear pierced, my daughter, so we'll see if she wants to get her ears pierced after she sees that you can take it, put it on and off. And this one I believe was $27. Again, we got like some good deals. As soon as we saw deals, we bought the stuff so that we wouldn't be in a rush. Good thing because we've been sick all of December so far. But yeah, we got these two, and then along with these two, when we went to Marshall's, we actually picked up this, which I thought was really cool. So this was $6.99, and it is a little hospital stay set, which I thought was really cute. And then it also comes with, well, another one we saw was Feel Better Munchkins. So it's kind of like I want to say like where you like just giving food, like kind of like at the hospital. That's what it kind of looks like to me. But yeah, just little accessories for that. And then her dad also saw this set and got it for her. Hopefully she'll like it. So this was 27 from 60. So it is basically like a little baking set. She actually has their little house right now in her in our living room, like the ones from Target, like the ones you could color. And I think she's gonna love this, so she can make coffee and give it to us. She might not even care about the dolls. She might like it for to give it to like us. But we got this for her as well. All right, so that was like something that we don't know if she's gonna like. We're hoping, but if that's okay, maybe she'll go into it. Another thing we purchased for her when it was on sale is this Barbie car. It is a remote car, which she already likes my husband's remote cars, so we know she's gonna like this. It's pink, and she loves playing with her Barbie. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm out of breath, guys. Again, I have been congested for way too long. And then at Marshall's, I believe, we saw this, and it was like, should we get it for her? And I was like, I think we should, but it is really up to you. And I see the card, and he has it. So basically, it is LOL. She loves the LOL surprise little dolls. And it has kinetic sand, well, squishy sand. Two things she absolutely loves. And it's like a little house. So we know she's gonna really, really love this. She loves her LOLs. She plays with them all the time. So got those. Around Halloween time, I did buy her this basket from Target, but I don't know if what I'm gonna use it for. The whole plan was honestly for me to fill this up before Christmas, and for her little book calendar that I have on her, to count down the days to Christmas. I put some other like her little books and coloring stuff in here for Christmas time, but unfortunately we've been sick, so I never was able to do that for her. But I think she'll love this anyways to put a whole bunch of stuff in it. And then I did get some smaller, I guess you could say, toys for her. So we got this one on clearance at Target for $13. She loves Spidey, so we got her this one. It has little characters, just like that. Some of the smaller stuff though, guys, are either gonna go in her stocking. So she's gonna have two stockings. She has the big one that we're taking to my in-laws that she opens on Christmas Day over there, and then I am doing one at home, which are going to be the ones that we do when we come back home, just me, my husband, and my daughter, to do by ourselves. So that is one thing. And then there is going to be 2 to 3 things that she is getting from Santa. But they're not going to be big things because obviously Santa can't give everybody big presents. So they're not going to be big things. They're going to be smaller gifts that Santa's going to get for her. This I'm pretty sure is going to be their stocking. Barbie Land. You guys know my daughter absolutely loves these. These saved us on our trip to Florida. She played with them the entire trip. She was at my aunt's house, so I got a couple of those. I got these at, I believe it was a dollar store or Target spot. But I gotta be collecting these things. This was a dollar store, so it's just Spidey. She loves Spidey. This is for in the bath, so I get that. Saw these Target. She actually loves this kind of stuff, so I think she would really much enjoy opening those. Got her a little Spidey Amazing Mystery Series ball. My husband got this for her at Ross. She loves Hawk. Telling you guys, she's been loving that series. She loves playing with her Barbies inside the shower. So I decided to get 2 more of these for her to play with in the bath. And then I bought these a while ago at Target, and at Dollar Tree, and they're basically molds for clay, just for her to play with. Those actual clays I am gonna take out though, and I bought her some regular clay at Marshalls, I believe. Oh, Ross for $2.99. Because the ones that's in there is hard. And then we did buy this for a while ago. This was $5.99. It is 5 wooden puzzles for Spidey. Again, she loves Spidey. So yeah, and then again with the theme of Spidey, I found this, I believe, on Amazon. So she could basically shoot the little thingies. She loves it. She loves this character, the girl. So that, and then we also saw this one at Ross, and there are the little Spidey cars. Again, guys, these are like little things that I know she's gonna love to play with. So we got those. I also got her this. I honestly almost forgot that I got her this, which is the Drive of Little People. She does still play with her little people and loves everything and anything Target. So we got her this guy. So out of breath, my goodness. So that is what we got. My toddler. It's gonna be all separated, and what's in her stocking and what's not in her stocking. Oops, dropping everything. My in-laws did pick this up for her. Well, my father-in-law did, because she liked it. I'm gonna, I guess, wrap it for them that they're giving to her. And then my mom did get her 3 Barbie sets as well, which I will show you guys in just a second. Okay, so my mom bought my daughter this set. It was actually on sale as well. So she got this one. Like, does that say address? No, it doesn't. No, this is our address. Okay, so yeah, she got this one, and then up here she also got this one. It was on sale at Kohl's, and then she also got her this set. Like I said, my daughter loves Barbie right now and Spidey, so that is literally all we centered all her gifts around. Yeah, I feel like we've gotten her a lot more before, but it's okay. She doesn't need a lot. She has a lot already as it is. And regardless, she's always so grateful when we give her something. She's like, "Oh, is that for me? Thank you so much. I love it." And then she goes to show everybody what she got. So, um, regardless she's spoiled or not, my daughter is a very grateful little girl. Thank goodness. It's taken a lot of work to obviously show her that. She did pick out my best friend's son's and Zoe's gift this year, which was the cutest thing ever. She literally was like, "Mommy, this one's for Zoe. This one's for Zoe. Can we wrap it?" So we wrapped it together. We actually did it before I got sick. And she was so excited to wrap it. She even picked their wrapping paper. So that was so cute. She was like, "Oh, how about pink for her?" I'm like, "Okay, baby." And then for the boys, she actually picked 3 gifts. So me and my husband were like, "All right, if you pick 3, then that means one's just for Jax, one's just for Sam, and then one is gonna be for both of them. They have to share because they're siblings." And she said, "Okay, they're gonna love it." I'm like, "Okay, baby." It just warms my heart once they get. I feel like once they get to 3, and they truly kind of more understand what you're telling them, it's amazing. I think 3 is my favorite age. I know that sounds crazy to say, but so far 3 is my favorite age. They just talk and explain things so well already. It's amazing. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that I am still under the weather, and I've kind of let you guys hang it for a really long time. I'm trying to get better over here. I will have a video up for you guys next Tuesday that I'm so excited for you guys to see. If you are new here, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Happy holidays. Please be nice to people because you don't know what they're going through. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.